Hey there folks, my name is John Thompson. I am the founder of Spring Framework Guru. I want to welcome you to my Spring Framework 5 course. So this course is subtitled Beginner to Guru. So I designed this course to take you from not being able to even spell Spring or Spring Framework if you really want to get big, and to being an expert. That's why I'm calling it a guru. So I want you to be an expert with the Spring Framework by the time you finish this course. That's exactly what I've designed this course. Now, I've been teaching Spring for about 2 years now. Started off as a Spring 4 course. Been working with Spring for over a decade. Even worked as a pivotal Spring Source consultant with several of their customers. Spoke at Spring 1. So I have a lot of experience with Spring. I'm trying to convey as much as that to you in this course. So going forward in the course, there's a few tricks that you can do. One of them is to fork my repositories. You're going to have complete source code access inside of GitHub. There's a ton of examples there. Everything is, I use branches, so you get a starting branch and an ending branch in GitHub, so you can see each step of the way exactly what was changed, and then you can check that out, and there's tools that you can use to compare your code to the branch that we're on, so you can see all that stuff. And I highly recommend you to go and fork that. Take my repository, fork it, and then as you work inside your repository, you build up these great Spring examples. When you go to get a job as a Spring Framework developer, guess what? You have a whole GitHub repository of Spring Framework code that you can share with a prospective employer. So it's a great tool, a great way to demonstrate your experience with the Spring Framework. So there's a lot of great content ahead in this course. We get into a lot of different things. It's been a lot of fun for me to do this course because I did my Spring Framework 4 courses almost 2 years ago. I've got probably, gosh, 14,000 students have been through my various courses at this point. So I got a lot of feedback from students taking courses, and I was able to roll that into this course. Like I added a lot of things that I saw common questions on. Like in my previous course, I didn't cover uploading a video to, or I'm sorry, uploading an image to the database. That's in this course. We'll talk about multiple data sources, different data source configurations. So these are all common questions that I see. People start off with the Spring Framework, and then they get a job, and then they start getting more and more complicated scenarios thrown at them. And that's why I'm also expanding out the amount of technology that we're using in this course. There's a lot of things that I want to show you, like MySQL, MongoDB. MongoDB is really cool because we can do reactive programming with it. So this is all stuff that I'm adding into the course, so you have a much broader understanding of the Spring Framework, and you can see how the Spring Framework is used in the enterprise. So I'm pretty excited about that. Support for the course. If you need help, please leave me a detailed message on the course, the actual module. There's a commenting system where you can leave that message for me, and then I can read that and post my reply, because your messages, your questions, as you run into trouble, others are going to see, may see that same issue. So by posting there, that's a great way for them to see it. If we really get stuck, I might not be able to answer everything. Sometimes I need to see the whole project. And again, this is why I said check your stuff, fork my stuff in GitHub, and then you can send me a link to your GitHub account. I will fork it back to my GitHub repository, fix it, and then send you a pull request with a detailed explanation of what happened. And sometimes I'll even video this and I'll put it into troubleshooting Spring. That's kind of a challenge for me, where the student's having a problem. I will go in not knowing what to expect and jump in and go through it, and you can see me live coding, troubleshooting something. And this is stuff when you go through Happy Path, you're not going to get that type of detail. So pretty excited about these different techniques that we can. So I really hope you enjoy the course, and if you hit any troubles or just want to say hi, go ahead and reach out and contact me. Thanks.